Hi everyone, my name is Amrik. I'm a customer success manager with Ardoq, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the collapsed paths functionality. The collapsed path functionality is a way of showing how components are dependent on each other indirectly via a middle component. So what I mean by that is, if we take this example here, we have an application, Oracle Enterprise Data Warehouse, and it's supported by a number of servers in our infrastructure repository. Those servers are located at a location. So we have them in Manchester here, which you can see in the UK. It may be that to kind of show that actually Oracle entered this application is dependent on this specific location. So if there was an incident at that location, then we want to show that there is a relationship indirectly via the servers to Oracle Enterprise Data Warehouse. But in this visual, you'll see the servers are here. So for the expert or a person who is responsible for Oracle, they might not immediately recognize that there is an indirect relationship or dependency between the application and the location. So we can go to Edit Dataset here and choose a collapsed path. And so what you do in the right-hand side, you can select a collapsed path. So I can click on this application and then the location. And so what I will show is, let's say, IT disaster recovery dependency, and then save. And now if I update the data set, you'll see that it's showing that there's a direct relationship between applications and locations without showing the servers. So we see on the left-hand side here, the toggle is on, so I can remove that to include the servers again, or I can click it to remove the servers. So it allows you to create a more targeted visual to your stakeholders, hiding some of the noise and telling the exact narrative that you want to tell. I hope this has been useful. For more how-to videos, visit our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.